Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to verify your eToro account. So let's get started. Verification is a mandatory part of the process of registering for the eToro platform. Regulatory requirements dictate that we verify each new eToro account. This keeps our platform secure and prevents untoward activity. Once your account is verified, you will be able to enjoy the full benefits of the eToro platform. To verify your account, you are required to upload both a proof of identity, POI, and proof of address, POA. Only after you provide us with both documents will your verification process begin. You can use the eToro app to scan your documents directly to the platform. Proof of identity. Your POI document should contain your name, date of birth, a clear photograph, issue date, and if it has an expiry date, that should be visible as well. A passport is the preferred proof of identity, as it is the document which will be quickest for the eToro team to process. Alternatively, you can use a driving license or any other government-issued ID. If the document is double-sided and there's relevant information on the backside, make sure to upload that as well. All of the information on your POI should be visible. Upload the full document without cropping and in focus. Proof of address. Your POA document should contain your full name, address, and an issue date, which should be no older than 3 months. The name or logo of the issuer should also be clearly visible. Please make sure to scan your document against a different colored background so that all 4 corners are visible. Your proof of address can be one of the following: bank statement, credit card statement, electricity, water or gas bill, council tax bill, tax letter or bill, house rental official agreement issued by government, letter from your local municipality, internet bill. Your document should be scanned flat. There should be no cropping, and all 4 corners should be visible. Screenshots are also accepted if your POA was taken from a digital document. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to verify your eToro account. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.